Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how Snapchat works. Snapchat is a mobile messaging application used to share photos, videos, text, and drawings. It's free to download the app and free to send message using it. It has become hugely popular in a very short space of time, especially with young people. There is one feature that makes Snapchat different from other forms of texting and photo sharing. The messages disappear from the recipient phone after a few seconds. It is simple to use. You take a picture using your camera phone, then select recipients from your contacts and decide how long you want the message to be visible. And click send. For the recipient, the process is very like getting the message. Simply tap to view a snap. Also, the message disappears from their phone once the time limit has expired. Although the details of the sender and the timestamp remain, users can add friends from their phone contact device list. In addition, users can now add friends from their phone or device contact list. In addition, user can now add friends who are nearby to them. So if users are hanging out in a group, it is now easier for them to connect and become friends. Snapchat has another nifty feature that contributes to its popularity, a simple drawing tool. Users can easily draw pictures, draw on top photos, and add text to the photos before sending them. This feature is a hit with young people who are using social networks as an outlet for creative expression and having laugh. Snapchat is now being used for its multiple communication features. Not only can you voice or video call, you can send edited pictures while on a call, and leave audio and video notes while using the messenger feature. The notes are 10-second video clips that you can send. These are generally sent as reactions and are played with audio when clicked. So, I hope that you learned something and I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!